Introducing the number 1000. We already know that 9 is the biggest one-digit number. By just adding 1 to 9, we get 10, which becomes a two-digit number. Similarly, 99 is the biggest two-digit number. By just adding 1 to 99, we get 100, which becomes a three-digit number. Now look at this figure. There are 9 bags with 100 beads in each. That means 9 into 100, which is equal to 900 beads. In addition to it, there are 9 more rings with 10 beads each. That means 9 into 10, which is equal to 90 beads. And there are loose 9 beads. Therefore, the total number of beads in all is equal to 900 plus 90 plus 9, which is equal to 999. Now, if we add one more bead to 999 beads, we will get 1000. That means 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000, which is a four-digit number. Did you note one thing, children? After we added 1 to 999, we have to make a new place to the left of the hundreds place. This place is called the thousands place. Therefore, 1000 should be read as 1000. As 1000 is a four-digit number, 999 is the biggest three-digit number. Now, let us see how many hundreds are there in 1000. If I add 100 10 times, I will get 1000. Hence, 10 hundreds means 1000. Now, let us see what are complete thousand. Like 100, 200, 300 and so on, in thousands also there are complete thousands, such as 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000 and 9000. I hope the number 1000 is clear to everybody. Wasn't this simple? Word problems. Exercise 73. 2. The ticket for air travel between two cities is rupees 7,589. What will 9 such tickets cost? Solution. Hint. It is clear that this is a type of unitary problem. Cost of one is given. Cost of many is to be calculated. So we should multiply cost of one ticket into number of tickets required. Cost of one ticket by air is equal to rupees 7,589. Therefore, cost of 9 tickets is equal to 7,589 into 9. Arrange the numbers vertically. As we have learnt, start multiplying from the units place. Thus, 9 into 9 is equal to 81. Write 1 in units place of answer and carry over 8 to tens place of multiplicand. Next, 8 tens into 9 is equal to 72 plus carried over 8 is equal to 80 tens. Write 0 to left of 1 in the answers place. Carry over 8 to the hundreds place. Now, multiplying 5 hundreds into 9 plus carried over 8 is equal to 45 plus 8 is equal to 53 hundreds. Write 3 left of 0 in answer place. Carry over 5 to thousands place. Finally, multiplying 7,000 into 9 plus carried over 5 is equal to 63 plus 5 is equal to 68,000. Write 68 to left of 3 in answer place. Hence, 7,589 into 9 is equal to 68,301. Thus, answer is 9 air tickets will cost rupees 68,301. 4. If 55 textbooks of English cost rupees 1,925, find the cost per book. Solution. Hint. Since cost of many is given and cost of one is to be calculated, use the division operation. Divide the total cost of book by the number of books given. Cost of 55 textbooks is equal to rupees 1,925. Therefore, cost of one textbook is equal to 1,925 divided by 55. Arrange the numbers 1,925 and 55. 1,925 is the dividend. 55 is the divisor. Let us consider the first two digits on the extreme left of the dividend, that is 19. 19 cannot be divided by 55. So put a 0 in the quotient place above 19. Subtracting 0 from 19, we get 19. Now write the digit 2 next to 19. Now divide 192 by 55. Now let us try 55 into 3 is equal to 165. 55 into 4 is equal to 220. So consider 55 into 3 is equal to 165, as 165 is less than 192. Now, 192 minus 165 is equal to 27. Now, bring 5 next to 27. Next, divide 275 by 55. Now, 55 into 4 is equal to 220. 55 into 5 is equal to 275. So consider 55 into 5 is equal to 275, as 275 is equal to the required number. Therefore, 275 minus 275 is equal to 0. So remainder is equal to 0. Thus, when 1925 is divided by 55, we have quotient is equal to 35, remainder is equal to 0. Hence, answer is one textbook of English will cost rupees 35. 6. What is the remainder if the sum of 3,896 and 2,789 is subtracted from 9,370? Solution. Hint. First, find the sum of 3,896 and 2,789. That is, add 3,896 and 2,789. Subtract the sum of these numbers from 9,370. So this problem involves addition and then subtraction. First, add the numbers 3896 and 2789. Arrange the numbers vertically. Starting from units place, 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Write 5 in units place of answer. Carry over 1 in tens place. In the tens place, 9 tens plus 8 tens plus carried over 1 is equal to 18 tens. Write 8 in tens place to left of 5 and carry 1 to hundreds place. In hundreds place, 800 plus 700 plus carried over 1 is equal to 1600. Write 6 to left of 8 in the answer, carry over 1 to thousands place. In thousands place, 3000 plus 2000 plus carried over 1 is equal to 6000. Write 6 to the left of 6 in answers place. Thus, 3896 plus 2789 is equal to 6685. It is given that this sum 6685 is to be subtracted from 9370. Arrange the numbers. Starting from units place, we cannot subtract 5 from 0. So borrow 1 tens from 7 tens. Thus, 10 units minus 5 units is equal to 5 units. 7 tens minus 1 tens is equal to 6 tens. In tens place, we cannot subtract 8 from 6. So borrow 1 from 300. Thus, 16 tens minus 8 tens is equal to 8 tens. 300 minus 1 h is equal to 200. Again, we cannot subtract 6 from 2. So we borrow 1000 from 9000. 1200 minus 600 is equal to 600. 9000 minus 1000 is equal to 8000. Thus, 8000 minus 6000 is equal to 2000. Hence, the answer is 9370 minus sum of 3896 and 2789 is equal to 2685. 8. A worker earns rupees 80 per day. He works 264 days in a year. What is his annual income? Solution. Earnings of the worker in a day is equal to rupees 80. Number of days the worker works in a year is equal to 264 days. Hence, the worker's total annual income is equal to 264 into 80. Multiply 264 into 8 and then place 0 after the product. Arrange the multiplicand 264 and the multiplier 8. Starting from units place, 4 into 8 is equal to 32. Write 2 in units place of answer. Carry over 3 in tens place. In tens place, 6 into 8 plus carried over 3 is equal to 48 plus 3 is equal to 51. Write 1 to left of 2 in answer place. Carry over 5 in hundreds place. In hundreds place, 2 into 8 plus carried over 5 is equal to 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. Write 21 to the left of 1 in answers place. Therefore, thus 264 into 80 is equal to 21,120. Hence, answer is the worker's annual income is rupees 21,120. 9. There were 1,100 sacks of wheat in a godown. They were distributed to 5 fair price shops, each shop getting 210 sacks. How many sacks were left in the godown? Solution. According to the given data, the total number of sacks of wheat were 1,100. These 1,100 sacks of wheat were distributed among 5 fair price shops. Number of sacks each shop got is equal to 210 sacks. Thus, if we multiply the number of sacks into the number of shops, we will get the number of sacks all shops got in all. To multiply 210 by 5, let us arrange the numbers. Multiply 21 into 5, then put 0 after its product. 21 into 5 is equal to 105. Hence, 210 into 5 is equal to 1050 sacks. Thus, all shops got 1050 sacks altogether. Now, to find the number of sacks left in the godown, subtract sacks all the shops got from the total number of sacks in the godown is equal to 1100 minus 1050. Arrange the numbers. Starting from units place, 0 units minus 0 is equal to 0. Write 0 in units place of answer. Next, in tens place, we cannot subtract 5 from 0. Borrow 1 from hundreds place. Thus, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Write 5 to left of 0 in answer place. Next, in hundreds place, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. And in thousands place, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence, 1100 minus 1050 is equal to 50. Hence, answer is 50 sacks were left in the godown. 10. If 10 groups of 84 students each of the 900 children in a school took part in a Prabhat Pheri, how many students did not take part in it? Solution. Total number of children is equal to 900 children. And number of groups formed is equal to 10 groups. Number of students in each group is equal to 84. Therefore, from this we can calculate the total students participating in the Prabhat Pheri by multiplying number of students in each group into number of groups is equal to 84 into 10 is equal to 840 students. Hence, 840 students took part in the Prabhat Pheri out of total 900 children. Thus, to calculate number of children who did not take part in the Prabhat Pheri, subtract number of children taking part from total number of children is equal to 900 minus 840. Hence, 900 minus 840 is equal to 60. Thus, answer is 60 students out of total 900 did not take part in the Prabhat Pheri. Question 11. Of the 5,750 farmers, 3,163 used organic fertilizers in their fields. 1,930 used chemical fertilizers and the rest used both. What is the total number of farmers who made use of organic fertilizers? Total number of farmers is equal to 5,750 farmers. Farmers using organic fertilizers is equal to 3,163 farmers. Farmers using chemical fertilizers is equal to 1,930 farmers. We first have to calculate the farmers left who used both kinds of fertilizers. For this, first add 3,163 and 1,930. After adding, we get the sum as 5093 farmers. Now to find farmers using both kinds of fertilizers, subtract total farmer, that is 5750 minus 3163 plus 1930 is equal to 5093 is equal to 657 farmers. Hence, 657 farmers used both kinds of fertilizers. Now we have to find the total number of farmers using only organic fertilizers. Therefore, total number of farmers using only organic fertilizers is equal to 3163 plus 657 is equal to 3820. Thus, answer is 3820 farmers used organic fertilizers.